For the longest time now, I've been wondering, since I've had this new back box installed, the Figo pops, but does she still bang? Now my friends, today in this video, we are going to find out if the Ford Figo still shoots flames. I haven't done anything like this in quite a while. I don't have a second car to film me, so I'll be putting on the GoPro on the back of the car, and we're going to drive around seeing if we can make the Ford Figo shoot some flames. Now, if you don't remember the previous video, I'll link it up top, but let's get into some driving and then we'll go see and test if it still bangs some flames. Now, this isn't a cold start, but I am going to give it a few revs. You see, she still pops. She still sounds spicy. She still pops alright. Now let's go see if she bangs. For those of you that don't know, my name is Brandon and I am an avid Ford Figo lover. And by saying that, obviously I've done things to a Ford Figo which the typical person hasn't done. One of those things being putting on branches, SWR branches, a 50mm free flow exhaust, and a pops and bangs tune. So this is not really a tune, they just more pull timing or add a little bit of timing to create the pops and the bangs. Now, like I said in the start of the video, I know she still pops, but my big question is, does she still bang? So I'm heading to a little undisclosed location to go and test out and see whether or not the Ford Figo still shoots some flames. Now, I have had this specific car of mine for the last 10 years. Actually, about 2 months ago, it would be 10 years exactly that I have owned this Ford Figo. I got it on 28,000 kilometers, and currently she is sitting on 268,000 kilometers. Each one of those kilometers being driven by myself. I can't tell you where I've driven, but I've driven those kilometers. It used to be a rand a litre back in the day, so I've spent more on fuel in this car as well, what the car's value is actually worth. So I'm just heading to this location quickly, and just to give you guys a little bit of a taste, this is in third gear, just getting to 3k RPM. So like I said, she still pops, but there's a way that I could make her bang in the old day. So I'm going to test that out a little bit. We're in second gear right now, and on gear shifts it also pops, so there. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I know the pops are there. Let's get over to 3.5, 4,000 RPM, and then have the foot lightly on the throttle, and you hear the pops in the background. I'm just not sure if those are flames, so you guys are here to explore and discover with me if the Ford Figo still shoots flames. So while I'm in this part of the video, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button, guys. It really just helps send the video out on more people's platforms on the YouTube, so they can also see the video. It doesn't cost you anything. I'd appreciate it a lot. And for those that are new to the videos or to the channel, about 15% of you guys are regular viewers and subscribed viewers. So for that other 85%, come on and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Sorry, you guys, the old subscribers, know I get crazy when I'm by myself and I do random voices like the old Australian accent. Oh, let you know, mate, we're going 4,000, 5,000. Oh, the pops are sweet. Yeah, we're almost at the location. For those that know the area, you would probably know where I am or where I'm going. Don't give it away. It's my secret spot that still isn't flooded by security and stuff, so don't give it away. But we are almost at the point. I'll hook up the GoPro to the back of the car and we'll test and see if the car still shoots some flames. Alrighty guys, so you just got to the spot. I'm gonna put you guys on a, I think this is called a monopod or something, and I'm gonna try and get a nice wide angle view of the back of the car to see if she shoots some flames, and then you guys let me know in the comments down below if she does or if she doesn't, or if there's something I need to do to make her shoot some flames. The car should be nice and warmed up now. First thing I'm gonna do is to give her a few revs, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna go up to 3 grand. Sounds good. Let's get driving. I think I made enough noise now. Saw a little white puff of smoke, and I just hope the GoPro doesn't fall off because it's not mine. Okay, no cars. Let's go. Just gonna go slow around the corners because obviously I don't want the GoPro falling off. But we'll do a nice little U-turn, and then we'll do my typical what I did in the previous video, like an acceleration in 2nd gear. Go nice and slow. They call me Mr. Slowly. No, I'm joking. Oh, it's a Ford Figo, so what do you expect? Why are you turning that way? Gravity is not being my friend. There we go. We're back. And we're gone. Stop turning so much. Okay, 2nd gear. We're gonna go up to about 5-6 grand. Let's see. It's my first little test. Just gonna do a U-turn. Make sure that the GoPro is still on. Okay, we are good for the GoPro. We are still good for the GoPro. I'm just gonna turn around right here. And camera, turn back to me. Got another one. I love the sound of the pops and bangs. So I'm gonna try something in 1st gear. The way that I always get it to pop a bit louder. Sorry for the face footage, but you guys are anyway on the outside of the car listening to some sick sounds of Ford Figo. I don't know if it's shooting flames. Now you guys are probably laughing at my face, but I don't know if it's shooting flames. I simply do not know. Now I just washed the car today, but there's a little nice Ferrari, which I can't show you guys because you're upside down. But anyway, as I was saying, I just washed the car today, but there's a little dirt here. And I know the car likes to do a little burnout on the dirt road, you know? So, Matt, we're gonna do a little bit of a burnie. Probably a one-wheel peel because this doesn't have an LSD. But still, it's better than nothing, so... it's either clutch or tires. That's what I'm smelling. One of the two. But yeah, I think that should be enough footage. I don't know if it's dark enough for the flames yet. I'll go through the footage. If not, I will be back in a few minutes to retake the video from the back. And if there's flames, I will include them. So we'll see now. Let's go back to my spot so I can review the footage. The footage. Little 1-2 map. Let's go see the footage and see if I've got some flames for you guys. Let's see. Don't act suspicious. Need a little bit more speed. I am speed. Second gear, and let's go. And there's another circle right there, so we'll see if we can get enough. Let's go back for another one. I just hope you can see it in the dark because firstly the camera is going to be darker, so I'm just hoping that the GoPro does it justice. Maybe I have to gear down from third to second. See if that helps. That should be better. Why aren't you driving? I'm gonna turn around once more time. Once more time. Guys, what's going on in my English? And yeah, then I think that should be it. I'll go through the footage again quickly. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video of me playing around trying to get the Ford Figo to make fire. Make fire. I sound like a caveman. To shoot some flames for the boys. I'm gonna go one more time. One more time for the boys. One more time. Do a downshift there by the circle. And one more to the next circle, guys. That should be a few good ones. I'm hoping with the darkness that there's some flames. I just want flames. I just wish these cars actually had tunable ECUs and not the fact that you can just pull timing, because that would have made this car a whole lot more sick. But yeah, we are not so blessed, are we? But it's still a very good car for what you get. You can get some branches. You got yourself a good one. Let's do one last acceleration before I end the video. Well guys, I hope this was as entertaining for you to watch or listen as it was for me to burn fuel for you guys. It was just something I was very curious about because I haven't really pushed the car or videoed the car from behind to see if it does make flames or not. So yeah, you guys can let me know in the comments down below. I will obviously be going through the footage, seeing if there's flames, keeping the best parts for you guys. But thank you for joining for another video. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to those other 85% of you guys that are not subscribed yet. I don't understand. Thank you guys for watching another video. I appreciate everyone that sends comments, that sends messages and asks about things. I'm always willing to respond. I may be a little bit delayed sometimes because I'm not on social media that much. But thank you for watching another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Have a good night. Cheers. Memphis, man.